wonderful control over your checkout page. Edit your checkout form visually without touching any code. Sometimes the default checkout page does not match your store needs. With the visual checkout form editor, you can easily manage your checkout fields. First, go to WordPress dashboard, then click on On-Page Checkout, then open the checkout form. Here you will see the full checkout layout in a visual format. You can manage fields like coupon section, billing details, first name, last name, email address, phone number, country, street address, then town or city, state or district, postal code, company name, and can add different shipping address. In additional information, you can add order notes and at right side, you can do changes on order summary or payment methods. You can adjust these fields directly from the editor. After making the changes, you need to click Save Changes. So let's do some changes. Let's hide the last name and the street address. Then let's change the Order Now button. Change it to Place Order. Click Save Changes. Then click Save Changes. Now visit the shop page and try to check out a product. You can see here the updated checkout form without the last name and the street address. And there we have also changed the Order Now button text to place order. So that's how you can customize your WooCommerce checkout form easily using the visual checkout editor.